I'm about to show you the world's most intelligent trading journal you've ever seen. This trading journal is going to completely transform the way in which you trade and how you develop as a trader over time. Look, most trading journals have the same problem. You import data into these journals, and then that's pretty much it. It gives you an overall picture of your trades over time, and the journals generally will give you these metrics that you can simply look at as a reference point. For example, most trading journals will say, hey, this is your win rate based on your trading data. Well, that's great, but what else does that give you? It doesn't really give you any insights or any contextual understanding of your trading journey or your performance as a trader. So that's why I built R Pilot. R Pilot is the first and most advanced AI-driven trading journal that grows as you trade. The more you use it, the more it learns about you. The more you journal and the more you write and speak to it, it will learn you as a trader. And one of the most important things you have to understand as a trader is that no two traders are the same. We all trade differently. Even if you're trading a similar strategy or the same model, your trading is still going to be so different to somebody else. I trade differently to you and you trade differently to me. And for that reason, it's incredibly important to understand your data like the back of your hand. You need to know what works for you, not what works for me. And that's where R Pilot comes to life. So when you first log on to R Pilot, you're going to see your hub. Your hub is like the home of you as a trader. It shows you what level you're at as a trader. It allows you to have your pre-trade check-in. So before you start for the day, you can open up a little check-in to mark how you're feeling for the day and everything else. Now, the mad thing about this, right, is this isn't just some generic form. What actually happens here is everything you put into this form is being registered by R Pilot, the AI. So when you start getting your insights and your feedback from R Pilot, which I'm going to show you in a minute, it's going to be completely tailored and customized to you. If you write stuff that's happening in your life right here, for example, if your dogs are annoying you, if your spouse is making you leave the house, or if you're feeling concerned about your work or anything else, R Pilot will learn everything about you. And it's completely 100% private, so you don't have to worry about what you're putting in here. R Pilot will learn everything about you and it will tell you how it affects your actual day-to-day trading journey. We've also got day-to-day challenges that you can unlock just to gamify the whole process of journaling. But most importantly, you're going to get daily insights on what's actually affecting your trades. So for example, here it says that late entry has appeared 7 times in recent trades, which means it's something that's picking up on when I'm entering my trades. And that's something that we need to keep in mind. Now, I'm going to walk you through the entire platform because this is just the hub, right? Let's get into the meat of what this platform is. We can go over to the performance tab where you get to see how you're performing as a trader on your day-to-day basis, right? So some demo data right here. We can see your R position, how much P&L you have, your win rate and everything else. And this is all great stuff, right? This is stuff that every trader needs, but this is just the beginning and really just the tip of the iceberg of how incredibly powerful R Pilot is. As you scroll down, you'll get to see some other little cool things here like a consistency rate. Now, this is only relevant if you're trading prop firms. You don't have to trade prop firms. And if you're not trading prop firms, this actual module won't even appear for you. You can go and create accounts that are for your personal funds. So when you go up here and you go to create a new account, you can see here that I've got an Apex funding account here of 150K. But when you create a new account, you can choose if you want to do a prop firm or if you want to use your personal funds. For this example, I've got a Apex funded account here. So it's showing me my consistency stats for that. Then you've obviously got your P&L calendar, as any good journal should have. You'll get to see your top mistakes and you'll get to see what your mood is on the day as well. So this is kind of like your performance hub, right? It just shows you how you're doing generally on a day-to-day basis overall in your account. Then when we go over to the journal, you can get to see your actual trades. So this is really cool. You get to see all your inputs and everything else. Now, what's actually happening under the hood is really what's important, is what makes R Pilot so amazing. So you can see here, right there, there's a little banner here, right, that says building your insights. Now, what's actually happening here is every trade that I'm logging, R Pilot is working out my profile as a trader in the background. It's getting to understand what kind of things do I do, what do I not do, what do I do badly, and what I do well, right? So all that stuff's happening in the background. The more you trade, the more it starts to evolve. So if I just click this demo button here, you're going to see that now this is running an example of how R Pilot might interpret your data if you were running lots and lots of data through here and how it can talk to you. So if I go into the journal now, you're going to see there's a bunch of data in here, right? There's lots more stuff in here. And you can see now that we've got a developing profile because we've got 36 trades logged. So let's click over to the playbook. When you go to the playbook, these are suggestions that R Pilot is actually making to me based on the performance that I've got in this demo example, right? So here, for example, you can see it says that you should use a trend model setup when my mood is relaxed for my highest edge. When you log relaxed mood and you trade your trend model, your win rate jumps to 71% with an average of 1.6R. This combination appears to be your sweet spot and it's got 79% confidence in that opinion, right? So every single suggestion it makes, it has a confidence rating based on how much you've traded. So the more you trade, the more it learns about you, and then it can make better suggestions as you trade the more you go on, right? There's some other suggestions here that I've already already saved in this demo. So you can see here, take profits at 1.5R when trading NQ during high volatility sessions. The analysis of your 47 trades shows that NQ trades closed at 1.5R have a 78% success rate versus 45% when holding for higher targets during volatile sessions. That's an incredibly insightful bit of information about my trading. That's going to be very different to other traders, right? That's why this is so critical. It's so important. So our pilot actually picks up on all of that good stuff and it gives you suggestions over time. We've also got a great trading journal entry thing here. So you can go ahead and you can log your day-to-day kind of mindset, how you're feeling and everything else. And one thing I want to mention here is I'm not going to show these actual entries because they're my entries, but when you actually write in here, our pilot is learning everything about you in here. All right. And again, it is completely 100% private. Nobody can see this. Even we can't see this behind the scenes. And then as it says here, this is all powering your playbook, right? It's all learning everything about the way you feel on that day. So it's very important that you actually go and log this stuff in. Because here's the thing, right? When you're actually logging a trade, so let's actually go to new trade and log a trade, you'll see that you have this really cool form that you can fill in, just like any trade journal, right? But the thing about this is every single metric here is tied into Pilot. You can see right here in the bottom, you got your little R Pilot icon, right? I'll show you what that does in a second. But everything here is being logged, right? So when I'm typing stuff into these notes are essentially for this particular trade, right? This is different to my mindset log. My mindset log is just how I'm feeling at the beginning of the day, or maybe it's the end of the day, or maybe it's in the middle of the day, right? And that's really important because when you're a trader, right, you don't want to just be logging stuff when you're doing a new trade. I mean, that's fine if if you want to put your notes in here about the specific setup and everything else, that's cool within the notes here. But your mindset at the beginning of the day and the end of the day is also very critical. It's also really important to understand how you felt at those periods to really get a good picture of yourself. And again, when you do this normally, right, let's say you go write in a journal for real, in a paper journal or whatever, it's all good and it's really great for your mindset. But over time, it's very hard to then look back at all of that all at once. It's always really hard. Like if I go to my journal, right, and I want to analyze every single one of these trades now, I'm going to have to manually go through those trades and see what went right, what went wrong, right? I've got to click into it. Then I've got to see what what's going on here, all these individual notes that I'm making. And then I've got to click to view the chart. And then you can go and view the chart and you can view your setup and everything, which is great. But the crazy thing about this is that our pilot is actually looking at all of this. So when it's actually talking to me and it's giving me information and insights back, it's picking all that stuff up. That's incredibly important because if you were going to do that manually, it'd just be so difficult for you to do. You just wouldn't have the time or the ability to do that. But thanks to the advancements of AI recently, we can now tap into the power of AI to enable us to measure our performance in a much faster and much more effective way. So that's just something that I want you to be aware of why this really is so powerful. Another cool thing about our pilot, and we're really going to get into the really sexy stuff in a minute, right? I just want to show you just walking you through the navigation here just to show you how it all works and everything, right? The next thing is you got your pilot feed. Now, this is really cool. It's a complete kind of social system within our pilot itself. You can share your wins here. You can share your losses here. You can see here some of our users are sharing some of their wins, and you can also share your losses, which is also important because it's not just about sharing a win, right? It's all about what lessons did you learn when you lost a trade, and you can do that. We've also got a leaderboard here with XP, win rate percentages, and the amount of R that every user has made and that kind of thing. You don't have to have this public, by the way. You can turn it off within your settings if you just want to be private, and that's cool as well. But we really encourage people to be social about this because trading is one of those things that can be quite isolating and difficult when you're doing it by yourself. So by doing it in a way where you're sharing your experiences with other people, you can get some great results. And on that, we've also got pods. So an accountability pod is you can actually create small teams of people, up to 8 traders, where you can create a group of traders where you can share your journals, you can share your setups and everything just within a group. So if you don't want to necessarily be showing it to everybody else, you can just create a nice little group here where everybody can see your trades that's in your group. Again, optional if you want to do it. Then we've got a full achievements panel, just to gamify the whole process. There's a bunch of different achievements here. As you trade, you get rewarded for it, you win XP, and you level up on the leaderboard, and everybody can see how you're doing. Right now, I've got 12 achievements here. Here's a good one. So first grand, reach $1,000 total PNL, for example. So there's a bunch of different achievements and stuff if that's something you like to do. Now, let's get into the really advanced tools. Now, if you're a prop firm trader, this is going to be really interesting for you, right? So let's just go to tools. And if we go into the shield here, risk shield, what you're going to see, let's just put this onto demo mode so I can give you some kind of examples of how this works. When you go into the risk shield, right, you'll see here that we've got smart stats that are being developed on the trader, right? So the more you trade, the more reliable all this data is going to become. So if this bar is really low, this isn't going to be 100% accurate rep, but the more you trade, the better it's going to get. Now, one of the biggest things that I see with traders online, right, is they don't understand risk management properly, and they always struggle with knowing how much they should risk and, what's an appropriate amount and whatever. All these tools here are really designed to help you build your edge and actually develop yourself to understand how much you should risk, how long it's going to take to pass evaluation accounts, or if you're funded, it will show you how long it's going to take you to actually get payouts as well, based on your actual performance, right? Not just hypothetical, but based on real data that is being fed into our pilot. Because anybody can just say, okay, cool, Well, if these are your balances so far, then you should risk around about 250. That's about 10 full 1 hour losses, right? Or I could say I want to risk loads more, $500. But then it will say, based on your win rate, $500 per risk is too much. So with a 58% win rate, you should expect up to 6 consecutive losses. Better them, right? So, and that's based on my actual win rate, right? So it's not just a simple calculator. It's actually basing it on my data, which is what is really important here. Everybody else just has these little calculators, which is just based on hypothetical data, right? But that's not good. We need calculators that are based on our performance, on our data. And that's what makes this incredibly powerful. Then I'll go over to the past planner. This looks a little bit complicated if you're looking at it for the first time. And I've got a bunch of tutorials that are coming up. But essentially what the past planner does, it shows you what kind of numbers you need to be hitting in order to pass your actual grade for passing as well, and how long it's going to take you to pass your evaluation. So this is really amazing if you want to understand, what kind of speed you will be able to pass your eval, and what numbers, most importantly, what numbers you need to actually hit in order to pass it. You also get graded on your setups as well, right? So if you're like saying you're going to risk 1,000 a trade, obviously on a 50K account, probably not a good idea, right? So it's going to grade you really badly. But the great thing about this is, again, the more you actually trade and you use real statistics, it will tell you what your numbers are, and then it will tell you your pass, right? It will tell you your genuine numbers, your win rate, your average R, how many trades you're taking per day, and then it will show you your expectancy on passing, right? So it's really, really cool. It does the same thing on funded. With funded though, you also get a bit of a daily calculator on how much you spend per day on your risk, and then your payout plan, which kind of takes into account the buffer. So how quickly can you build your buffer up, and then when will you actually reach your payout? So again, if you are funded, that will make a bit of sense to you, but I'll get into that into other tutorials, just kind of showing you what's available here. We've got a great position sizer as well. Once again, there's lots of position sizes on the internet on sizing on your trades, but the powerful thing about this is it's based on your data, right? It's not just based on random stuff. It's really based upon your win rates and everything else. So everything you put into here takes into account what you should be doing, and it will give you a score on your account health, and it will tell you if you're doing something ridiculous, right? If you're risking too much, it's going to tell you you're being aggressive, right? And it will tell you if you're in a fragile state as well, based upon your actual performance in your account. And finally, another cool thing on here is your consistency. So a lot of people really struggle to understand how the consistency rule works, how much they should be making per day and all of that. This just ties straight into your account data. It will go and pick up all the rules on your prop firm, and it will tell you what your consistency numbers are and how much you should be making. And the cool thing is that when you go and you log a trade, it will give you a little reminder at the top as well, the consistency rule. So that in a nutshell is our pilot. It is a fully AI driven system. You've got pilot right in the corner here. You can ask it to analyze your performance. You can ask what your patterns are, and you can actually talk to it any which way you want, the same way you would with any AI LLM like ChatGPT or Claude or whatever, or Grok. You can type in here and it will talk to you specifically and very custom to you. I'm not going to type anything in here because it will show things about me that I don't want to necessarily share. But if I asked it right now what's affecting my performance, it will actually bring up personal things about me. It will talk about having a busy period over Christmas, or being distracted with family and things like that, or having too many things going on and all kinds of things, right? Things that I've spoken to it about. That's just for me. And that's why this is so powerful. It tells you everything you need to know. Guys, there's so much about our pilot that I can't do everything in one video, but I just wanted to give you an overview of how incredibly powerful our pilot is. If you're interested, make sure you click the button on this page, or if you're watching on YouTube, click the link in the description. You can go and check it out right now. And I'm really excited to have you as part of our community. Go and check out our pilot, the world's most intelligent trading journal.